Hi everyone, today we're going to try a new hairstyle.
Wait, what was that? Wait, am I gonna say what's up YouTube and then introduce you and then you say what we're gonna do and then what's up YouTube? I'm here today with Cher.
Yes, today we're going to try a new hairstyle. Like,
what is it again? Clip-in extensions.
We're going to do clip-in extensions since I have my natural hair and I want something very beautiful to look natural. Let's see how that's gonna work.
Let's do it. Alright, so today we're going to be using the Dominican curly hair clip-in extensions in the pattern 4B. This is a kinky curl, which is perfect for all of the natural girls. As you can see, it comes in the color 1B27, which adds a little bit of funk to it. It's a full 9-piece set that we have set up here. We also have some Nexia spray, some titanium chopsticks, and my baby bliss flat iron. Zigzag braid pattern. The reason that I use the zigzag braid pattern is so that when the clip-ins are placed on each braid or every other braid, it has a perfect lay. It gives it a more comfort set and it won't cause tension to the client. I did a double L to L on this side and an L on this side. Here is what we curled out so that it can blend in with the 9-piece set. And I'll show you guys what we're going to do here. Come, snap, open, convenient, fast. Now, my trick for today, as you can see, Cher's hair has been blowed out, so it's kind of straight right now. If her hair was wet, she wouldn't have to do much to it.
Yeah, because it's the same curl.
This is what her leave out looked before. This is what it looks like now. Okay, so here I have my baby bliss flat iron and a titanium chopstick. Please make sure your chopstick is titanium, not plastic or anything because it will burn. Not falling out, the clips aren't everywhere. She can go turn up if she wants to.
I like it.
Yeah, we're in love. Ouch. Definitely feeling this one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Comment.
Tell us know what
Tell me what you think. I love it. It's very fun and very cool and it's quick to use and to take it off. So
alright YouTube, until next time.